here's how you can get all the new items in the claw machine in the circus map. Consider subscribing to get your OG tickets because I'm on the road to get to 10,000 subscribers, so I really recommend if you'd subscribe. It would help a lot. Let's just get right into the video. So first you're going to need 2 teleport grenades. Then you're going to go right here, grab a token, and then you're going to grab 2 rockets if you want, so you can go to the circus. Let's go. And now we're here. So now when we're here, we empty out our bag, grab our token, put it in. This is where we put our bag. And then 3, 2, 1, drop that, go in. And now it's gonna be like this. No one, who's gonna control me? Well, you're not gonna be controlling anyone because we're gonna be speeding this up. Empty your bag, grab your teleporter, go up there. Now drop it in there. Now you can officially cheese it and steal all the items. If I go right here, and I can go right here. So this, see? And then I stole all the items from just using that. And that's how you get all the items without even needing another person. And I got a green one, so it's pretty cool. And then if you stand really still, as you can see, I am a revolver. If I scan this, shotgun, stand still, I'm a shotgun. Also a glitch if you have the saddle, become it, just hold your position, and then you can just grab onto it and just ride yourself. It's pretty cool personally. I think it's like, it's a really funny glitch. It will get patched soon, so have fun while using it. And then if you just let go, you'll hold on carefully. That's how you get all the items in the circus without even needing 2 people. It's that easy. Consider getting your OG tickets before they run out because we are on the road to 10K and we would really appreciate it if you like and subscribe. Anyways, I'm Freezy and I'm out. See you guys.